Okay, so let's record. Hey guys, into this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 slow motion, FPS drop, that kind of shit. Okay, so first of all, you need to right click the Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 icon, then open file location. Then here in the game folder, you will see the config settings. Just to check, you need to right click properties, then uncheck the read only, apply, then okay, then double click the config. So here is my settings, and the width and height, you can change this whatever you want. For me, I'll just make this 800 by 600 just to show you the gameplay later. So okay, you can pause this video and copy my settings, because in your game folder there's none of this. You need to type this. Okay, frame rate, VSync, FXAA, texture quality, shadow quality, motion blur. You need to copy all this. Okay, and there we go. So after this, you need to click save, then close the settings config, then right click the config the second time, then check the read only, apply, okay, then close the game. I close the settings, then click into the game. It's that simple, guys. So as you can see, there's no lag, and first, when I'm playing this, just wait a minute. Okay, the audio. Okay. First time I'm playing this, after I finish installing this game, it's so laggy. Then I find a solution, and that's the solution. Then pre-battle versus battle. I'll just show you some gameplay. And by the way, I have no GPU, guys. Oh, I'm getting my ass kicked here. I'm getting my ass kicked by Sasuke, the younger version. Holy shit. Oh no. Sorry if there's no audio, guys. You can't hear me talking. Oh no. And we're done. And that's it, guys. Thank you, and please subscribe.